everyone, welcome back to my kitchen and the rebirth of Torani Friday. Today we are going to make a copycat version of Chick-fil-A's frosted lemonade. I know you're all going to want to know how to make this. It is positively amazing and tastes exactly like the real thing. Let's go see how this all comes together. Turn this into a Torani Friday because I haven't done one in so very long, and I think it's time to kind of dust it off and reboot it because everybody loves Torani Friday. I've gotten so many messages from people going, are you going to do more Torani Fridays? You haven't done one in such a long time. Here it is. Today we're making our own version of a Chick-fil-A frosted lemonade Torani style. And this is what I came up with, and I'm telling you what, you guys are going to love it. It has very few ingredients and it's super easy to do. Now if you don't have the Torani syrup, don't worry. You can simply use, you can just make a lemon syrup using simple syrup and lemon juice, no big deal, and you're gonna be good to go. What I have here is, and this is enough for 2 of them. So I have vanilla ice cream, so that's about 2 cups. I have lemon sorbet, and that is about a cup. I have about 2 cups of crushed ice, a half a cup of lemon juice freshly squeezed. This is about the juice of 2 lemons. I have 1/4 cup or 2 ounces of Torani lemon syrup. And that's it. That's how easy this is. So let's get the mixer or the blender going. So in with our ice cream, our lemon sorbet. And I've seen a lot of recipes that use like lemon juice or lemonade concentrate, but this is my way. We're gonna use, there's lemon juice going in there, the Torani lemon syrup, crushed ice. Now, the one thing that I will say is that there are a lot of recipes out there that I've seen that it looks really loose, and when I get a frosted lemonade at Chick-fil-A, it's frosty. It has ice crystals in it. So that's what I'm going for here. It's kind of a smoothie consistency, and you know what? Let's be real. Let's not make a mistake. We're really just making a lemon milkshake. That's really all this is. Is a lemon milkshake, but it's a delicious lemon milkshake. And I am going to hit this for frozen drink. That's all she wrote. Now, let's move this out of the way. Take the lid off. And where's my spoon?
It looks pretty close.
It does look very close. It's very thick, like it should be. A lot of the things I've seen, they are pure liquid.
Did it?
That's it right there.
Oh yeah.
That tastes just like a frosted lemonade. Oh man,
Yep.
That is so good. Let me go get this in a cup and I'll be right back and I'll show you what it looks like. There you have it, our Chick-fil-A copycat frosted lemonade, and oh my goodness, this thing is incredible. I popped a little bit of vanilla whipped cream on the top, and honey, you could make this at home and it is so good. I'm gonna take another drink because it's so good. Oh man, that is so amazing. You're gonna love it, I promise. Give this a try. It's with summer coming, this is gonna be a delicious refresher that you can make right at home. You don't even need to leave the house as long as you have all the ingredients on hand. I'm gonna leave a link down below where you can get the Torani syrup. That's as hard as it's gonna be. You can look for this if you live near a world market. They usually have a lot of the flavors. If not, ordering it from them online is super easy and it comes really fast. So be sure and go down and use that link if you're interested in looking into the syrups, and use the recipe if you're interested in making your own version of a frosted lemonade. I hope that you love it. I hope that you enjoyed the video today, and if you did, please consider giving me a thumbs up. If you are new to my kitchen and just wandered over here from suggested videos, thank you very much. It's always a pleasure to welcome new people. Please hit that subscribe button. And if you are already a tried and true member of Noreen's Kitchen family, be sure and go down below next to the subscribe button, hit that little bell notification button, because we don't want you to miss out on all the real food for real people, real easy recipes that we present all the time right here on our YouTube channel and straight from our kitchen. I hope you give this copycat version of Chick-fil-A's frosted lemonade to try sometime soon, and I hope you love it. And until next time, I'll see ya.